something on
Headed out today to the Yasica River for a riverboat tour and a dinner.
That Dominican has all. We're at the final destination. It's like a big pothole there. You can watch those. That's for sure. That was a speed bump.
Well, in Baja, there's so many dirt roads, and they're all potholes that have been there for years and hacked down.
There's not a big cattle just milling out there. Yeah,
Even you get on the side streets in Baja, they're just all dirt roads.
So what were the speed bumps called there? There's so many we went in the town.
Oh God, what do they call them now?
I don't need a speed limit on this.
It's 30K, there it is.
if you dare.
I don't think so.
And this is,
Okay, so we are here.
we're here.
This is Rugama Tours.
Is that where
I think we're in some
Yeah, that's the
desolate
place.
place.
you just go through there?
No, I would buy. All over.
What is this? What is that? Yeah.
They were actually
What?
just watch for the snakes.
Are they garters?
Sometimes.
Just little teeny ones?
Hey, I've seen Indiana Jones. I know how to handle them.
They're all good for the moment.
They're like that big spider there the other night. Ooh.
Yeah, that was weird at the restaurant.
You could call it.
We're in the jungle. There's a what?
That's a dove there. What? A dove? A white dove? Yeah. Pretty, eh? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Or something. I don't know if that's peacock. Doesn't have. It looks like.
Yeah.
I think it is.
And that's the crocodile.
A Komodo dragon?
There's a crocodile here?
Yeah. Coming up on. It's.
Oh, that's a Komodo dragon?
No, it's an iguana.
Oh, iguana.
Oh, I was gonna say. Hope he's not hungry. I seen a big croc in Florida.
Anything? So it's in the water, the crocodile.
Jump in, you'll find him.
Yeah.
Wood going up, like, I think that's where he was. I don't know where his head is now.
Oh, I didn't see.
Oh, I see him, I think.
Yeah, you climbed up on that side. I can't.
Is this where we're going to have lunch?
I think maybe.
Is this where we're going to celebrate New Year's?
There we go.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year! Hola!
It's a real.
Where?
That's a treehouse.
Oh yeah, there's a treehouse here.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that. The roof is built right around in that circle.
Something, oh, a branch is falling off there. Or a leaf. Watch it doesn't hit you in the head.
This is so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay.
Hope you're feeling better.
Yeah. So the gas is over there. We're
Okay.
gonna show you so many kind of things because they have so many souvenirs, like for history.
Oh, yeah.
They're gonna explain you that. And also they're gonna make the tours for the water.
I saw people posted pictures of sitting there.
Oh, yeah. We can get that after. Hola.
Ve. Kaido, dímele a la hija de Rudy que por favor venga acá. O a la amiga de ella. No, a la hija de Rudy.
The baños are that way.
You wanna go to the bottom?
No, I just saw the sign. That's okay. The baño. It's good to always know.
Llama.
The toll is behind for them, for the house.
I see the sign down.
Oh, that's nice.
I don't know that's the thing. That'd be
This is like Rugama. Oh, yeah.
Kaido, duerme allá arriba.
And it's super hot and muddy.
So this place is like a restaurant too.
Yeah.
So they have so many tables. You give them a reservation. They're gonna prepare something for you.
Yeah.
If you check in the area, they have so many crafts around.
Yeah.
And also, in this area, they have the pool for the kids, for everybody.
A pool.
Yeah.
Oh.
Very beautiful one.
Oh, take a look. Oh, look at that, eh?
Splash pool.
Yeah, kids would love that. My sister would love that. This place is so interesting. You want an interesting place to come. Look at this. Got a nice breeze coming in here.
Probably crocodiles in here. Oh, I was gonna say. Look, we're in Africa. Oh, nice breeze. It's like
Oh,
we're
yeah.
in Africa in a jungle tour. There's a.
Yeah, I know, it looked like
I thought
a...
it was crocodile. It looked like a crocodile, but it wasn't tree. It really looked like that. Look at it.
I guess it would be pretty good stand-up board here, wouldn't it?
If there's nothing in the water. Is this where you went up there to do it?
Probably.
So we don't get to do it?
Well, I don't know. I'm
We don't know
not
what the
sure.
day brings. I guess we don't.
It's what happens here.
Oh, look at this place. Someone's got something there.
Oh yeah, mucho. coma, que yo no he comido nada. Yo llegué como allá. Con otro tour para adentro. No, yo, sí, cuando yo, ajá, ya. What's that? Did you bring beer?
Communal beer.
It's a little bit of a windy river, so
It's cool there. The scenery is really cool. You would never jump on
on the Yasica River here, going to Wilson's restaurant here in Cabarete. It's going to be on the beach. We're actually just outside of Cabarete.
That's Wilson's Tours.
That must be it there. Now we're entering, there's Wilson's restaurant there. You can apparently drive down here, park over there, and they come and pick you up on a boat and bring you across.
We've arrived.
Ellos van a comer algo, bebé. You can be here before? First
No,
time?
no, first
Never
time.
been, first time.
No, yeah, see.
Okay. You booking with, you was looking for on the highway for us or no? You just came by boat and
I knew about you from the internet, from Google, and then we knew about the tour, the
from Rudy.
Rugama.
Yeah, and then here.
Yeah, and then here, yeah.
Welcome to this.
Yes, thank you.
Gracias.
Have a seat.
Thank
Look
you.
at the picture. Look at everything.
Standing here at Wilson's Bar now that we made it here down the river. Just give you a little shot of what's going on in the area. This goes out to the beach here. It's just a little sandbar that goes out there. The river meets the ocean, the Atlantic Ocean here. And like I was saying before, you can drive over there and they come over and pick you up in the boat and bring you across if you just want to do that. Or you can go to Rugama Tours and they'll take you for a ride down the river like we did. Ordered the fried fish today. I had it here before, not here at this restaurant, but I've had it in Dominican. It's really good. It's a cute little area. Fun little trip so far. See how the food is. Hola.
Mira, yo quiero comerme esto para que tú veas.
Oh my. Look at that.
Hola, amigo.
Hola.
¿Cómo están?
Yeah.
Bienvenido. A Wilson Barrio te verán la boca, lo mejor.
Oh.
Airplane, banana.
Oh. Bueno.
Y una langosta que yo dije para la última.